This is a one owner 2004 Dodge Ram quad cab, 113,000 miles, in absolutely phenomenal condition. You will not find a door ding on this truck. Super clean, one owner Texas vehicle, matching tonneau cover, in pristine condition. Tow package. Has a 5.7 liter Hemi SLT package, sliding rear window. Tires are in phenomenal condition. One senior owner, and it shows. If you're looking for an affordable low mileage truck, this is it. I know it's hard to find right now, especially trucks, but this is a clean truck. And the interior looks as good as the exterior. Cloth seats, no wear marks, no stains, no rips. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. No ripped center console lid. Perfect one owner Carfax report. $113,000 miles. Power seat. No sagging headliner. Chrome wheels. So again, this is a 2004 Dodge Ram quad cab, two-wheel drive, one owner, 113,000 miles, in absolutely remarkable condition.